Hello, my name is Saurabh Jain, and in this video I am going to give a demo of the Indian Railways MCP server that I have developed for the HuggingFace MCP Hackathon. What you're seeing right now on the screen is the gradio app of the server hosted on the HuggingFace Spaces. Gradio is the Streamlit equivalent for building UIs. In this part, I want to give a demo that shows simple tool execution of the Indian Railways MCP server. So let's get started. Let's start with a simple tool which would give me the name of the train number that I have given as an input. So if I submit it, it would give me the name of the train. Okay. Now let's take an example of train classes. For the same train, let's see what are the classes available. Classes are nothing but whether it's a sleeper class, second tier AC or third tier AC class that is available. So we see for this train, these are the available classes that are there. This was a simple demonstration. Gradio allows me to use this app as an MCP server, meaning I can plug in this server to Claude desktop, Cline extension in VS Code or any other AI apps and agents. To do this, all I have to do is copy the configuration here and paste it in my apps. So on this footer, I would click to this MCP button, and then this would display all the available tools that are there. And these are the configurations that I need to paste either in Cline the IDEs or AI apps like the Claude desktop. Okay, so let's switch to Cline now. Okay, so to add this as an MCP server, all you have to do is click on MCP servers, and here you'll get an option of adding a new MCP server. So I've already added the configuration here, as you can see, right? So my gradio app is now integrated with Cline, and I executed couple of queries based on this PNR. This is passenger number record, which is unique for each journey, and it contains various details about the journey, right? So I asked, tell me the boarding station name and current status. So after I submitted this query, Tried identified that it needs to invoke the get PNR status tool, right? And it then passed the PNR number which I had provided here. It received the response from the MCP server that we have, and it then gave me the final response. The boarding station for the PNR is Manmad Junction, and the current status of the train is that it has departed, right? So that was my query. Another query that I executed was this one. I want to travel from Manmad Junction to Pune Junction on 20th of June 2025. Show me the available two trains. Any two trains would do. And this is the final output. The two trains that are available for my journey were they are Goa Express and Duronto Express, right? There is also the timings, AC tier, what tier is available, etc. Right? So this was the integration with Cline. Now let's move on to the integration with Claude. Let us look at how to integrate the Indian Railways MCP server with Claude desktop. So once you have Claude desktop launched, go to the settings and click on the developer tab, and here you would if there are no existing configurations, this would be empty. I have already done the configuration, so Indian Railways is showing up. So all you have to do is click on the edit config button, and then it would show you this particular JSON file which contains the MCP configuration. So open it with VS Code. So I have it open already. I would get rid of the sidebar, right? So again, I have copied this configuration from the HuggingFace space that we saw earlier, and I have pasted the integration here. So that's how you do the integration with Claude desktop. Once the integration is done, you would see the list of available MCP servers and their corresponding tools that are there. Now this time we would ask another question. I would ask it to show me live status for the Pune station. Okay, what trains are there. So if I submit it, so it has identified the tool get live station update from the MCP servers, and let us allow that. So it will give me status for next 2 hours. From now on till what next trains are expected. Yeah. So at 7:30, this train is going to arrive. So this is a busy junction, and there are lots of trains which are either arriving or departing. So this was the demo for the Indian Railways MCP server. Thank you for watching it.